Congratulations! You're expecting twins. Will they be boys, girls, or one of each? That depends on, among other things, how many eggs were fertilized at conception. Twins occur when one fertilized egg cell splits in two, or when there are two separate fertilized eggs. The first are called monozygotic twins, and the second dizygotic twins. Where identical twins share the same DNA, in fraternal twins each have their own. During pregnancy, it's not always easy to determine what kind of twins are being carried. The membranes around the embryos can give us an indication. An embryo has two membranes surrounding it, an outer membrane, the chorion, and the inner membrane, the amnion. Twins can each have their own set of membranes, or share one, or both. It is possible that separate placentas grow together, looking like one, so we'll explain things solely in relation to the membranes. In the case of fraternal twins, both embryos will have their own outer and inner membranes. With identical twins, there are three possibilities. If the egg cell splits early on, both embryos will still have their own set of membranes. If the egg cell splits later on, they will share the outer membrane, but each will have their own inner membrane. With an even later split, they will share both the inner and outer membrane. To summarize, you can say the following regarding the number of membranes. Twins, where the embryos share one or both membranes, are always identical. If they each have their own outer and inner membrane, they can be either identical or fraternal. A pregnancy where embryos share membranes is considered higher risk than when they have separate ones. That's why doctors will always look at which of these scenarios applies to your twins. Do they both have their own set of membranes? Then they are often labelled as fraternal. However, you've seen that that isn't necessarily the case. So, how can you be sure? If you have girl-boy twins, then you can assume they are fraternal. Outward appearance can also give an indication, though this is not always as reliable. If they have the same blood type, a DNA test is the most accurate method to determine if they are identical or fraternal.